Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make a bone soup, the back of the pork bone. So I hope don't forget to subscribe my channel, Asian Cooking with MJ and blog. So be safe and God bless you all. Thank you for your all support. Bye! See you later for my next video. Thank you. Today I'm going to make some bone soup. Bone soup backbone. This is how many grams? This is $7.78. I don't know how many pounds. I'm going to add salt here and some of water. So I'm boiling this for at least 20 minutes, and then after this I need to wash really good and put again back and boil again. So this is the back of the bone. Look at that. So I want to clean good. I put the NAPA vegetables, put like some of seasoning, potato, 1 tablespoon of salt to boil this NAPA later. I'm boiled like 2 minutes.
So guys, I need to cut the potato for 2 times. So what's the bone soup? So these are the ingredients. 2 pieces of medium potatoes. Onions, 1 half of onions. 3 stalks of onion spring. Ginger, 2 pieces of medium tomatoes, and red pepper. So these are the ingredients. I put all this bone soup and the potato. And the napa vegetable, but I need to boil it first. I'm going to drain the water and need to wash this again. This is the soup that the bone that I boiled. Oh, sorry. To wash it. So need to be clean good. Okay. So take out all the dirty.
Because when you boil the soup, they have a lot of stuff, like brown stuff. So,
Like that, you don't want to put that in. So we need to clean our soup. So we need to clean that really good. As you can see, it's clean.
so hello guys, now I need to put it back, the bone of the back of the bone of the pork, which I boiled in 20 minutes here, and then I need to boil it again. Then I need to add water. Add water until there. So we need to add these ingredients: a ginger, the onions, tomatoes, and then salt, like 2 tablespoons of salt, powder bouillon, add black pepper, 1 NAPA, the vegetable, for cook this within 2 minutes.
To mix that in our bone soup, I put the napa, 1 tablespoon of salt.
I'm going to take out the napa inside the pot, which I boiled 2 minutes. So we're going to put the 2 tablespoons, the hot pepper powder, chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now I'm going to mix it very well because I need to put the soup. Boil it in another 15 minutes more until the meat is cooked, guys. And I add fish sauce, like 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And now I'm going to add the red pepper and potato, or simmer it until the soup, the meat is soup. It's done. The bone soup is done. Super yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.